This is a quick follow-up to our RTL-SDR and dump1090 build video the other day. I just wanted to show you I moved the receiver up to the attic, and just to show you the difference. If you remember the other day, we only picked up like 3 or 4 aircraft. So now up in the attic at the moment, I'm picking up 45. And my range literally went from this far all the way out to 45, I don't know, say 65 nautical miles was my range increase, just moving the receiver up to the attic. There'll be another video coming out today showing you the installation into the Geek Worm metal Raspberry Pi case. I didn't like the fact that this is pushing 52 degrees on what is a relatively cool day. Right now here at the house, it's 68 degrees outside. Again, this unit is in the attic. So I got to thinking about it. It'll do well over the winter in that plastic case. But in the summer, I'm going to have issues. So in this next video release, you'll see where we put it into the Geek Worm metal case. And, oops, just to give us a nice clean shot, 31 degrees. So we're already running 21 degrees cooler by using a metal case that is now the heat sink for the entire processor instead of just a small set of cooling fins. So yeah, it's pretty tickled with this. I'm sure there'll be questions on setting this up. If there are, I can do a separate video on virtual radar, but it's one of those that if there's one, there's 1,000 videos on YouTube covering it. But if you guys need some help, let me know.